Hey guys, Tom from Kendirect, and in this video I will show you how you can create your first upsell offer. If you have just installed Kendirect and you are part of the onboarding, you can click on one of the buttons Create Recommended Offers, and Kendirect will automatically create the best performing offers on your behalf. And then you can just fine-tune them. The first offer is displayed on the product page as a pop-up after customer clicks on the Add to Cart button, and it looks like this. And in the offer settings, you can choose for which products the offer will be displayed or collections. You can choose which products will be offered. We recommend using the Smart Mode or AI mode, which recommends the most relevant products using the Shopify Product Recommendations API. But if you want to select products manually, you can also do that. You can also add additional discount to increase the offer take rate. Usually 10 to 15% are working great. Once you are happy with the offer setup, go to your live store and check the offer. The second offer we recommend using is the embedded block on your product pages, and they can be using the checkbox layout, which means once the box is ticked and customer clicks on Add to Cart, all products are added to cart, or they can use the button layout, which means customers can add this product independently to the parent product. These offers requires additional action inside your theme editor, so you need to go to your theme editor and add the Kendirect blocks manually. You can place them wherever you feel like it fits the design of your store, and you can also customize some additional settings like text and some of the colors. Once you are happy with the setting, click on Save and check the offer on your live store. The third recommended offer is embedded block inside the slide cart. Kendirect is not just an upsell app, it also comes with a built-in slide cart that's optimized for performance. And it looks like this. It has some advanced features like rewards bar and upsells. And the Cart Upsells perform really well. And they are essentially the last touch point to offer customer additional products before reaching the checkout. Once the offer is enabled, you need to go to slide cart settings. You can fine-tune all the details and texts. Once your slide cart is ready, you can preview it using the preview mode. And if you are happy with it, click on Activate and it will display on your online store. If you are using drawer cart from another app or your theme, it sometimes helps to disable the original drawer cart. Besides these three offer types, Kendirect offers additional 4 placements. The pop-up, which is displayed after the click on the checkout button. The post-purchase page, which is displayed after customer enters payment information and reaches the thank you page. And the embedded block on the thank you page, which is displayed after customer finishes the order. If you are using Shopify Plus, you can also take advantage of Kendirect checkout upsells, which are displayed on the first step of the checkout. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions or need help with the Kendirect setup, feel free to use the chat icon inside your Kendirect app. And if you'd like to learn more about setting the upsell strategy, I will link additional video with more details showcasing how we are using Kendirect on real stores.